me din naman kasi na, oh, try mo na kasi. So ako kasi parang, I really want to be 100% when I enter anything. And siguro before, I wasn't 100% kasi ang dami ko pang gustong gawin sa volleyball, ang dami pang mga nag-take up ng time mo. So siguro this time na I'm ready to enter into show business, na mabibigay ko din talaga yung 100% ko, dun talaga ako magiging confident that I can perform and I can do good because I'm giving my 100%. So si Marco naman, syempre, since ate ako, lagi naman siya magsasabi na, sige, try mo na kasi. Pero, supportive naman siya. So, I think this time around, he can also be the one to help me and give me also any tips or lessons on how to start a new career in showbiz.
Your idol always gets